Welcome and thank you for stopping by to witness this unboxing. Yes, another unboxing video from me. I'm your host, Chaotic Monk, and if you like watching these random unboxing videos, then hit that subscribe button and notification right now. Yes, right now. Anywho, now the purpose of watching these unboxing videos is to give people live review. I don't think I've seen people do live reviews of sellers on these random online stores, so I'm just doing a couple of them, at least the products I purchase here. But disclaimer, just because I had this experience doesn't mean you'll have that experience. This is just to add to your research from the seller. Right now, this is from eBay. The online store is eBay, and the seller is Top LED Light. The product that I purchased from them is the MBD14 multi-power battery pack grip for the Nikon D610 and D600. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, go check it out. And yeah, then you know why I bought this battery grip. So yeah, and this one is pretty close to the actual thing. I wasn't gonna purchase a Nikon for 200 bucks, so this one is $45.23. As you see earlier, the box was pretty okay. I mean, it came here quick. It was shipped and they stuffed it in that little box or package. But hey, didn't break, and it comes in this box, almost looking like the real thing. I'm not sure if it's the real thing, but I do like the box. It does say Nikon on it. So hey, $45. What couldn't go wrong, right? Yes, right. Packaging is so-so. I liked it just because it came faster. No, and nothing was damaged, so I'm happy. I mean, it's probably going to take a lot to damage a battery pack. I believe this is a brand new, yes, this is a brand new battery grip. Sorry. Now in my last video I said that it was the longest unboxing. Well, I don't know what's gonna be the longest, but so far I do see this is the longest. So bear with me. This is exciting, don't you see? Look at that box. An amazing box. Anyways. Oh yeah, right here I was just, I know you can't feel it, but the battery grip feels very solid, very heavy. It's very nice, very nice. The button here is, yeah, it feels okay. Although the dials, it feels nice. People are saying it's too plastic, clickety sound, but yeah, I don't know. Oh, and that auto exposure, auto lock button, it doesn't have that click noise. A lot of people were complaining about that. Yeah, it's not like the camera where it has that confirm click. And similar to the shutter button right on top, it doesn't have that confirm click. But as of the dials, I like them. I like the way they feel. They don't feel plastic or fake. It feels sturdy. And yes, I really like the weight of this battery grip. Here you see, I'm just checking, well, there was mentioned that the true battery grip for the Nikon has a different shape hole than this battery grip for Nikon D610. So if you do decide you do have the old school, or I mean this purchase, and then you bought the real thing, the battery, what's that called, the slider won't fit, and this is just a, yeah, it's a little Velcro pocket for the other battery slider, which you can put AA batteries. In case you don't have a battery pack right now, you can buy AA batteries and ready to go. So keep that on hand. Forgive me for my lack of autofocusing here, because I believe I am using the D610 right now. No, this is the yeah, I'm sorry, this is the D3400 that I'm using to record this, because I will be testing the fit on this BatteryGrip to my D610. I'm trying to show you a close-up here. Wow, look at that autofocus. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, I'm manually autofocusing this camera so you can see. Yeah, look at that beauty. That doesn't tell you buy me for $45. I don't know what. I'm happy with it. Thank you, Top Lead. I'm happy with this purchase. It was everything that was said on the description. So, thumbs up for you. And now I believe we are about to do a dry run. Dry run on a test fit on this D610. So how's everyone doing? If you guys have any comments about my video, especially the blurriness right now, yeah, make some critiques, please. I need to know, is the voice good? Is it too soft? Is it not louder than my music? Can you hear me? Can you not? Anyways, again, if you haven't heard yet, please subscribe and hit that notification button. I will be doing some random unboxing, and not only that, I got some fun episodes coming. One would be the budget photographer. I want to see how cheap I can go, and can you be a good photographer with vintage lenses and cheap products. I mean, I know this ain't cheap D610, but it's not as expensive of what they have right now. So yeah, I'm putting test fitting right now. Oh man, the lack of focus just sucks. One day, people, one day I will have a better focusing camera. Anyways, it fits really nice. It's really good. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna bring it up to the camera right now so you can see the beauty. Oh man, look at that. The grip, massive. Almost feel like a D5. The budget photographer me, yes. So like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for watching and bearing with me in this video. Tell me to do a better job, or please leave some comments for me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.